जिंदाबाद।
Thank you, Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg. That was, you said everything. जो मैंने कहना था सब आपने कह दिया. But Amin, Pakistan, Turkey friendship Zindabad. And now I would like to invite the children. Where are the children? Where are they sitting? Here. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. आपको नजर आ रहे हैं Engin? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इनसे? बिल्कुल कहना चाहेंगे. Engin, can you see the three children?
I can't see
if
anything
could zoom
now.
in on the children. You can't see anything. Okay, we've lost our side of the. Now you can
Yes,
see. Okay,
now,
great.
yes,
So
hello, children,
these
hello,
are the
guys.
three.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can we have mics for the children? That'd be great. So these are the three children who have made all our wishes come true. I mean, हम सबकी wish in जैसे पूरी हो रही है. So can you introduce yourself? आप अपना नाम बताओ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सुहेल है और मैंने ये ड्रामा पीटीवी पर देखा तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई क्योंकि इसके इस्लाम के बारे में इस्लाम की तारीख बताई गई है. उसमें बताया गया है कि कितने ही बहादुर जंगजू थे जो इस्लाम के लिए लड़ते थे और वो किसी से नहीं डरते थे, अल्लाह की रजा के लिए लड़ते थे. और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मुझे इस ड्रामे में बहुत अच्छी लगी जो कि हमारे नबी हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम लिया जाता तो आप दिल पर हाथ रखते, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है.
मैं उनको बताती हूँ कि आप क्या कह रहे हो. Let me translate for you. This is Suhail, and Suhail has just said that I saw your show Earthroll on our local channel, PTV channel, and I loved it because it's telling us about our Islamic history, and it's showing us how the heroes in our Islamic history, how they used to fight. They were not afraid of anybody. They were not afraid to lose their lives. And the thing he loved the most, your hand on your heart, and that's a gesture that he loves the most about the show. And I think we would all like to start doing that. हम सबको करना चाहिए, है ना?
बिल्कुल.
That's what he said to you. Do you have anything to say to him, Engin?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy for this love, actually, and I can see we have inspired you, and yeah, it's very difficult role, but it was amazing. So I'm very happy for love. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. वो कह रहे हैं कि बहुत शुक्रिया आपके प्यार का. उनको नजर आ रहा है कि आप सब बहुत प्यार करते हैं, सो वो अपने दिल से
एक्टिंग है वो बहुत रियल लगती है. जिस तरीके से आप लड़ते हैं, तलवार से आप अपनी लड़ते हैं, तुरगुत अपनी कुल्हाड़ी चलाते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
जब ड्रामे के ड्रेस में मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बहुत अच्छे. आज मैं हलीमा सुल्तान का ड्रेस पहन के
ठीक है, बोलो फिजा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम फिजा है। मैं आपका ड्रामा बहुत शौक से देखती हूँ। सबसे पहले इसका ट्रेलर पीटीवी और यूट्यूब में जब से मुतासिर हुई। आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, आपको चलने फिरने का अंदाज बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मेरी ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं आपसे मिलूं और मेकअप विश वालों ने मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी की। थैंक यू।
Yes, Humayun and Zeba are here. हम आते हैं बाद में. So, where did I lose you? That Suhail is dressed up in, you know, the attire from the show from that time
Yes,
period,
yes, I can see.
and he'd like to show it to you. So, आप खड़े हो दिखाओ. All three of them are wearing outfits from that time period. From okay, we'll bring them in front.
Oh, it's lovely.
And that's Sidra. This is Fiza. Sidra is dressed up as Halima Sultan, and she wants to know how she's looking. Is she looking like Halima?
Yeah, yeah, of course, she's look like Halima.
This is Sidra.
Yes, of course, she's look like Halima.
Okay,
She's
and
so
she
sweet.
बिल्कुल आप बिल्कुल लग रही हैं हलीमे की तरह, बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं. And both the girls also love the show, and they express their wish to meet you, and they're very thankful to you and Make-A-Wish Foundation that their wish has come true. They're extremely happy, and they love the show and they love you. So that's what they were saying.
Thanks,
Thank you.
thanks for bringing us together. Thank you very much.
And now there's a special gift for you, Engin. The children, the three children, and Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg would like to present a gift to you. It's a
Thank you.
sword, and it's for you from us. And of course, because you can't physically receive it, I would like to invite the Turkish Consul General, His Excellency, and Mr. Ikhtiyar Beg.
Come here,
His
beta, all the three
Excellency
children.
Tolga Ucha.
Now I want to tell you one thing. Engin, this is a very special sword which was made on order. And there is written La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved.
Thanks.
Since you are not present here, on your behalf, we are giving this sword from Make-A-Wish Children to you, which His Excellency, the Consul General, will deliver it, to you. And
you.
especially if somebody can put a little bit camera on it,
Yeah.
you can see La ilaha illallah Muhammadul Rasulullah, which is engraved on the sword over here. So now we are giving it on your behalf, this sword, to His Excellency, the Consul General, and with us also, the Commissioner of Karachi is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Excellency, come here. Excellency, come on, beta. Aisha, you come here also. इधर आ जाएं आयशा, बैलेंस हो जाएगा. It's a beautiful sword, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Excellency, this is your responsibility. Yeah, to deliver him. Thank you so much. चलो आइए बेटा बैठे यहाँ पे.
Thank you so much. That sword is beautiful. I'm going to come to you in just a minute, Engin, but before that, I'd like to invite someone very special. She sung the original theme song of Ertrol, the Pakistani version. She sung it in Arabic and in Urdu, and she sung lots of soundtracks before. And she sung it in very beautifully. So I'd like to invite her, and we're going to play the theme song. Miss Middat Hayat, she's also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation. Hi, Middat. Assalamu alaikum. Aap gayengi?
Yeah.
Do you want to stand in the center? Great. Okay. So Middat is going to sing for us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Middat. That was beautiful. Thank you. Middat is also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation, and she sings beautifully. Thank you. And now we're coming to you.